ISD. Today we had Professor Brainius out to our school and he did a wonderful job. Our students loved the interaction, they got to see some great science experiments, and we appreciate him coming out. Hi, I'm Melissa Harris at Anderson Elementary at the PTA. We had Professor Brainius with us today. He was awesome, did a fabulous job, great experiments, and really involved the children. We had really enjoyed having him.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Kaiser from Anderson Elementary. I teach 3rd grade. Professor Brainius came to school today. He helped us learn about all kinds